Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So these are for your daily energy, Cancers. And we'll be picking more cards from the other deck, guys, for your love energy and your career situation. So first, for your career situation, we'll be picking one card each. This is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your love energy. We will keep this card here, and one card from the oracle guidance, guys. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading. So let's start with the daily reading. Cancers, it's Prince of Suns in reverse, Temperance in reverse, Three of Moons. With these cards, Cancers, in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career situation, guys. So there are few people who are trying to give you suggestions or counsel, maybe elders in your family or people with whom you work with. So you need to be really careful when you listen to them, because they may not be speaking the truth. Their vision, it lacks that that knowledge and wisdom. So you need to be really careful when you take other people's suggestions today, guys. And also with these cards, guys, you may be finding stressful situations and you may be finding some positive changes in your life today, but you need to find that balance in your situation, guys. Maintain that harmony. So whatever decisions that you're making, you have to be really fair, have that fairness in whatever choices that you make for yourself. You have to go for that harmonious way of doing things instead of doing it emotionally. So when you do that, you will see that your approach will be very positive and things will go towards a positive change, guys. So if you do not do that, if you do not find that balance and harmonious state in your actions, you may find yourself becoming really weak emotionally, and for some of you, you may even be experiencing some minor sickness, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And if you are someone in the creative field, or you may be indulging in some creative activities today, guys, and you are seeing success and some kind of happiness because of that participation in some art or some creative venture, maybe, guys. So you're celebrating this turn of events in your life, maybe towards something creative. It's giving you immense pleasure and happiness and joy, and you are on the way to healing, guys. So whatever stress or whatever illness may be for some of you, whatever you were facing till now, you are healing from it. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Cancers, for your daily reading. So let us see what is your career situation, guys. Knight of Cups. So with this card in your situation today, you are a person who knows what is your goal and what is your dream, and you are a person who has that intuition guiding you each and every step, and you are honest and faithful to your dreams and goals, whatever you have for yourself. So when you work with that determination and firm conviction, I feel, Cancers, you will be able to see success. So that is what I see with this card, guys, Cancers. So if you work with that firm conviction, determination and truth in your work situation, you will be surely reaching success, Cancers. That is what I see with this card here for you all guys. So for your relationship, guys, we will turn the card. It's King of Swords. So with this card in your relationship, you are a person of strength and deep beliefs that you have in your life regarding life, regarding values. So you are a person who follows that with that rigidity, guys. So this person looks up to you for support and guidance, and they see you as their pillar of strength, and you are a very reliable person, trustworthy. This may be what they feel about you or what you may feel about this person, Cancers. So they see you as a reliable person, ready to jump into action anytime, waiting to help them. So that is what they love about you, and that is what makes you both go very strong in this connection, guys. So let us see what is the guidance card, the Rumi Oracle guidance for your Cancers. The courage of your love. This oracle card comes with such a beautiful message here, guys. So you are moving through your life facing some challenges, maybe, guys, and you can be rest assured that whatever you need to overcome the situation, overcome the obstacles, all that you need is right with you. So no matter how long you have endured this difficulty, so you are moving towards that victory, guys, and victory is imminent. That is what this card is about, and you are reaching success. That is what is required in the situation now, guys. So you need not doubt yourself for it. Whatever it is needed, that strength, that determination and courage to overcome these difficult situations is right there within you, and you will succeed, and victory is drawing near, guys. That is what this card is about, and you are going to be victorious today, guys. And that is the reading for your Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.